Hello students. Now in previous video I explained you that what are the nouns and kinds of nouns. So we have completed common noun and proper noun. So today I explain you the collective noun. So what are the collective nouns? The noun that denote the number of person or things grouped together to form a complete unit are called collective nouns. Now here you see that the first exercise is given to you. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns from the box. So with the help of this box, you have to write the correct answer. Here there is collection. What are the collection of soldiers called? Regiment. Dash of vessels? Broad. Dash of people? Horde. Dash of flowers? Bouquet. Dash of cattle? Herd. Means these are the answers of the collection of these things. So what we call it? So with the help of this box, we have to find all the words. Now go to the next. Underline the collective noun and use given common noun from the box to complete the sentence. So here you have to underline the collective noun like beway of beautiful ladies. Where there is a collection of ladies, we call it beway of ladies. Now bench of judges, orchard of fruits. The chief guest addressed the assembly. The carriage was pulled by a team of horses. Now team of. Chef of arrows. Library of books. Pack of thieves. Suite of rooms and shoal of fish. So with the help of these words, you have to fill it properly. Now go to the next one. The next one is concrete nouns and abstract noun. Now the nouns that we can see, touch and feel are concrete noun. The noun which we can feel, see or touch, that is called concrete noun. And the nouns that we cannot see or touch but only experience or feel are called abstract noun. So here, now abstract nouns describe the state, concept or quality such as childhood, manhood, joy, jealousy, honesty, helpfulness, death. Because all these things we have not seen. We only feel it or experience it. Now here there are some examples are given to the common nouns and their abstract noun. Like common noun we write adult, and when we write abstract noun, adult become adulthood, boy become boyhood. Adjective, now bright become brightness, sharp become sharpness. These are the abstract nouns. Now one exercise is given to you. Circle the noun and write their kinds, concrete or abstract. So I have told you that the noun which you can see, feel or hear or touch, these are called concrete noun. And the noun which you cannot see, cannot hear, you can only experience or feel it, that is called abstract. Now the first example is given to you like she was shaded for her arrogance. So here arrogance, we cannot see here, we only feel it. So this one is abstract noun. Second, her ambition knew no bounds. Here ambition word is abstract noun. The mouse scurried here and there. The squirrel is concrete noun. Now the important to get insurance nowadays, concrete noun. So with these type, with the example, you learn it and find all the, circle all the nouns and write their kinds. Now go to the next line. Underline the abstract noun. So there are 16 examples is given to you. You have to find all the abstract noun. Like the first one, they could not survive the scarcity of food during the drought. So here scarcity is abstract noun. Say here first one, her innocence won our love. So innocence is abstract noun. His failure to climb the mountain encouraged him to try again. Failure. Her friendship means the world to me. Friendship. Lincoln fought against slavery of the blacks. Slavery. So students, you have to find all the abstract noun of these sentences. Now go to the next one. Fill in the blanks. Here also you have some helping words in this box. So you have, with the help of these box, you have to write all the abstract noun. The first one, nuns live in composure to be one with a poor. So here you write composure. The repulsion of the temple caused an uproar. Here repulsion word. So like that you have to complete this blanks also. Now how to make formation of abstract noun? Here abstract nouns are derived particularly from nouns, verbs and adjectives. So nouns से, verb से और adjective से किस तरह से हम abstract noun या भाववाचक संज्ञा बनाते हैं? Like here, brother becomes brotherhood, man become motherhood, child become childhood, mother become motherhood, manhood, manhood, man, manhood, king, kingship, friend, friendship. So with the help of hood, you use it as suffix and make the abstract noun. Here ship is a suffix, here verb and adjectives. So these are the examples of how you make the abstract noun. So with the help of these words, you have to write the adjective forms of these verbs. Here like sincere becomes sincerity, created become creativity or creation, aggressive become aggression, inform become information, discuss become discussion. So students, you have to write it. Okay. And now the next one is make abstract nouns from the following words. So you have to write it. Like grow become growth, die become death, obey become obedience, inform become information, express become expression, speak become speaking. So how to convert the verb into abstract noun, adjective into abstract noun and common nouns in abstract noun. So all the examples I have given you. So students, you have to complete all the 3 pages of your workbook and write it. And you see the answer of these questions. You tap documentary study yourself below your video. इन पेजेस को देखने के लिए आपको आपके वीडियो के नीचे एक ऑप्शन रहता है डॉक्यूमेंट्री स्टडी योरसेल्फ. आप उसको टैप करेंगे तो आपको ये पेजेस उसमें दिखाई देंगे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज पेजेस यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर्स. एंड फर्स्ट मेन थिंग इज दैट try to understood it. Thank you.